Hello, my name is Peter, and I am delighted to share this course with you. I'll take you on an exciting journey in the brave new world of blockchain technology. To give you a better idea of what we're going to cover, we'll start by viewing 8 pictures. Each of these pictures represents a specific way in which blockchain will change the world over the coming years. Thus, you will get an initial idea of the extensive use cases of blockchain and the huge potential this technology is bringing to the world. Okay, ready? Here we go. We start off with banking. Blockchain is frequently referred to as the Internet of Money. Bitcoin, the first implementation of blockchain technology, is the preeminent cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies allow people to store their money securely and make payments without intermediaries such as banks. This renders money transfers and purchases much simpler, faster, and cheaper. Okay, so blockchain provides great infrastructure for monetary systems. In other words, you can store and move money on it efficiently. How about other assets and property? In fact, this use case can be extended further to include all kinds of financial and real assets. Stocks, bonds, derivatives, commodities, and real estate can all be managed and transacted much more efficiently on blockchains compared to traditional systems. Another great implementation of blockchain is in supply chain management. Many companies are already actively developing blockchain solutions to monitor logistics in real time, to track and verify the origin of goods entering their supply chains and the conditions they are kept in. This can help certify the origin and life cycle of products, build trust in the system, prevent fraud, and improve outcomes for both suppliers and consumers. The authenticity verification feature of blockchains is so important that we'll follow up with some more specific examples. Let's talk about luxury goods. Diamonds are forever, right? And so is blockchain. Diamonds, works of art, and other items of high value are among the first areas where blockchain projects are innovating to provide transparency, security, and trust. Of course, bringing such efficiencies to the luxury goods market can unlock a lot of value by reducing counterfeiting and promoting higher ethical standards. This is a very exciting innovation, I'm sure you'll agree. Another application of the secure registry features of blockchain is in intellectual property. A time-stamped record on a blockchain could register any kind of copyrights, patents, or trademarks. So, we can use blockchain to verify the authenticity of pretty much any asset. How about the authenticity of people and their personal information? Digital identity is another huge area of application for blockchain. One of the first areas where such ID verification solutions are gaining traction is again in the financial sector, with the demanding Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering processes. Okay, so blockchain is great for managing physical and intangible assets and valuable information. How about other use cases? Here we see a screenshot of Steemit, a new social media platform. It is a decentralized blockchain-based social network, which uses native cryptographic tokens to reward users for contributing content and participating on the platform. In this way, users are incentivized to post high-quality content and build an active community. This helps create strong network effects, which then boosts the value of the whole network and its native tokens. In this way, blockchain helps create self-sustainable economic systems, which align incentives for all stakeholders and distribute value fairly. This aspect of blockchains is known as crypto economics. Finally, we couldn't go without mentioning everyone's favorite topic, initial coin offerings, or ICOs. As controversial as they are, the ability to issue digital assets directly on the blockchain and distribute them among a global community is a real game changer for startups and venture capital. Along with raising capital, this new alternative provides the important benefits of establishing a broad community of users and network effects, which create additional value for startups. So, here we are. We managed to go through many use cases of blockchain technology in just a few minutes. Get ready to discover a lot more useful knowledge along the way to completing this course.